Here we're just going to talk about the role in the membrane dynamics that are played by these proteins. Now, here we're going to use another analogy. Let's say that this cell membrane is a big swimming pool made of jello. Okay, these integral proteins are going to be like little boats floating on the top of this jello. Okay, these boats aren't stuck in one place forever. They can move around. However, their movement is not completely free, meaning that it's controlled and it happens in a way that kind of keeps the cell organized and working efficiently. All right, now drifting within the membrane, these integral proteins are able to move within this jello-like lipid bilayer. All right, it's like little boats gently drifting in a swimming pool. Okay, now there are specific workstations, which are the specific parts of the membrane, and they're going to be called lipid rafts. All right, so these are going to be like little floating islands within the jello. It's an area where that jello becomes a little bit thicker, a little bit more structurally supported. All right, these are going to be special islands or special, yeah, like special islands. And this is where the boats can kind of um, connect to, where they can take on bigger tasks like sending signals or moving important materials. All right, now while these integral proteins are able to move and drift around, they're not wandering around aimlessly. All right, they usually stay near these lipid rafts, which are these areas that are, it's almost like a dock. Okay, think of it like a dock. They're gonna stay in that area where those lipid rafts are found or those docks are found and where they're needed most. All right. And we would say this would be more of like controlled movement. And that just makes sure that the cell functions properly. Okay. So in short, those integral proteins are able to move, but that movement is organized. All right. They're going to be hanging out around these membrane proteins, around these lipid rafts, which are like these docks or platforms where they can do other things like signal or move substances around. Okay.